Welcome back to your favorite corner of the internet, where we decode the absolute madness of the tech world, try to save some money, and figure out exactly what Tim Cook is plotting. So, get comfortable, because starting this Monday, March 2nd, the tech world is basically shutting down for an absolute Apple takeover. If you were expecting a boring, standard 2-hour keynote where executives pace around a stage in a dark room, you are totally out of luck. Apple is throwing the old playbook completely out the window. They're doing a massive, decentralized, multi-day product drop. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it is going to be a relentless barrage of new hardware. Tim Cook basically hopped on social media, dropped a shiny animated logo, and walked away while the internet lost its collective mind. So, let's cut right to the chase. What is actually coming? Let's start with the phone that is probably going to break all the sales records. Say hello to the brand new iPhone 17e. Now, I know exactly what you are thinking. You're thinking the budget iPhone always looks a generation behind, right? Not anymore. Apple is finally, officially killing the notch on their budget tier. We are getting the gorgeous dynamic island for exactly $599. That alone makes it look like a $1,000 flagship. But the inside is where it gets genuinely crazy. They are packing this thing with the incredibly fast A19 chip. Yes, the brand new A19. It might be missing one GPU core just to keep the battery happy, but it's going to absolutely fly. And here is the kicker. They are upgrading it to a standard 8 gigabytes of RAM. Why? Because in 2026, Apple Intelligence is mandatory, and your phone needs that extra memory just to think for itself. Plus, we are getting their custom C1X modem for insane battery life and the new N1 chip. Let's talk about why that matters so much. The C1X is Apple's own in-house cellular technology, and it is completely optimized for efficiency. We are talking a massive 30% reduction in power consumption. That means your phone stays alive way longer when you are doom scrolling on 5G. And that N1 chip, that brings Bluetooth 6.0 and Wi-Fi 7 to the party. Bluetooth 6.0 is a total game changer for crowded places, cutting down interference so your wireless earbuds actually stay connected when you are at the gym. All right, take a deep breath, because this next one is the biggest plot twist of the entire year. We have been hearing rumors about a super cheap MacBook for schools and casual users. But the reality is way cooler than we thought. We are getting a new 12.9-inch or 13.3-inch budget MacBook, and it is rumored to start between $599 and $749. But here is the massive shocker. It does not have an M-series chip. Apple is literally taking the A18 Pro chip, the exact same processor from the premium iPhone 16 Pro, and slapping it into a laptop. This is genius. It means the laptop requires 0 cooling fans, runs absolutely silent, and the battery life is going to be frankly ridiculous. Sure, they had to cut some corners to hit that price. You are getting a standard LCD screen without the premium brightness, and the keyboard will not light up in the dark. But you know what? It comes in throwback colors like pink, yellow, and blue, giving us total retro iBook G3 vibes. For students, this is going to be an instant buy. But wait, Apple is not done attacking your wallet. Let's talk tablets. The base model, entry-level iPad, is getting a monster upgrade. Normally, Apple throws a really old chip into their $349 iPad, but not this time. They're skipping the A17 entirely and leaping straight to the A18 or A19 architecture. Just like the new iPhone, it is getting 8 gigabytes of RAM. Apple is basically drawing a line in the sand, saying that every single new device they sell must be able to run advanced AI locally. So, if you have an older 10th generation iPad, it might be time to start thinking about an upgrade, because this new one is going to make it look like a fossil. And for the power users, the iPad Air is making the jump to the M4 chip. That means 38 trillion operations per second happening right in your hands, making it a total beast for 4K video editing on the couch. Now, I know my hardcore editors, coders, and power users are watching right now. asking where the real heavy machinery is. Do not worry, Wednesday is your day. We are officially entering the M5 era. The 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros are getting upgraded to the third-generation 3nm M5 architecture. The physical design of the laptop is not changing because, honestly, it is already perfect. But the memory bandwidth is being cranked up to a staggering 153 gigabytes per second. That means if you are compiling heavy code or rendering complex 3D scenes, this thing is going to chew through it with zero bottlenecks. We are talking massive improvements in hardware-accelerated ray tracing and gaming performance. Oh, and for the ultra-portable fans, do not be surprised if they sneak the M5 chip into the MacBook Air at the exact same time, starting at a totally reasonable $990. And guys, all of this hardware is being driven by the brand new macOS 26 Tahoe. If you have not seen the leaks, it features this gorgeous new liquid glass design. Everything has dynamic transparency, customizable widget tints, and it perfectly bridges the gap between your Mac and your iPhone. But more importantly, Tahoe is the final nail in the coffin for Intel Macs. It is completely optimized for Apple Silicon and local machine learning. You will be running massive AI models right on your desktop without ever sending your private data to a cloud server. It is fast, it is secure, and it looks incredibly cool. So to wrap this all up, Apple is completely redefining the baseline of technology next week. They are making premium AI features available to everyone at the $599 mark with the iPhone 17e and the new Budget MacBook, while simultaneously pushing the extreme limits of professional power with the M5 Pros. The strategy is flawless. Now, I want to turn it over to you guys. Which of these devices is actually tempting you? Are you holding out for the colorful Budget MacBook, or are you ready to drop some serious cash on the M5 Pro? Let me know down in the comments below. And hey, if you appreciate a real human breaking down this tech news for you, without reading off a boring robotic teleprompter, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.